Hi everyone, I am Felicia Fox. Welcome to my channel Food with Felicia Fox. Today is day 27 of the carnivore diet. So I'm going to do 90 days carnivore and 90 days vegan, and I'm going to track my progress. So what I mean by tracking my progress is I'm going to see how things change for me, because when you eat something different, things are going to change for you in your body because food affects your body. So today I feel really good. I'm all loose and limber. My pain is virtually gone. I can walk on my foot in the morning. By the end of the day, it was kind of bugging me, but all in all, I'm starting to feel really good. And obviously, maybe you can tell my mood is a little bit brighter as well. I have some energy and I have good thoughts. I feel like socializing. I feel like taking the tiger by the tail and instead of staying at home on the couch, because I did that for a year where I couldn't do anything. Depression sucks, but you have to give yourself grace to get through it, to rest, to just to be in your skin, and then eventually you will come out of it. It might take a while, but you'll come out of it. So I love that I made this decision to go carnivore because I feel like it's helping my mood and my entire body in terms of the healing process. I sometimes feel the urge to cheat on it, like yesterday when I had the 2 bites of this gross platter of brown food. But that was a habit that I recognized and that I'm moving past. So it's okay. It's a process. That's why I feel like I'm glad I set myself a 90-day challenge, because I know it takes a while. Today I had bacon and eggs, and then of course I'm running around again, hustling, trying to build my brand. I also had just ground beef and bacon smashed together in a pan and I ate that. But it's okay because I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything. I feel pretty good. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep hustling. I'm just here at home for a brief moment. This is my deck, and isn't it beautiful? And then I'm going to go network and promote my YouTube channel, promote my social media platforms. If you all could support me also, go to my website, foodwithfeliciafox.com, and there you'll find a cookbook or two, and you'll find some a membership subscription. And I've worked really hard on all of that along with my team, and I would love for you to partake and support me in that way as well, along with all of your support and comments here. I really do appreciate it. I didn't get to cooking today, but yeah, and I don't know what I don't know if I'll have time in the next day or two to do that either, but luckily I have some of that frozen stuff in the freezer I could just thaw out and heat up. So really, the carnivore diet, it keeps things very simple. I just have to reheat cooked meat and there I have my meal. So I'm grateful for that while I'm running every day. So happy day 27, and hope you all are doing great. Thank you for your comments and support, and I'll see you tomorrow.